Deformed bodies, headless women, heads without bodies, flying breasts, phallic fingers and thumbs, veins, arteries, lungs. The works of the young Dali are full of anatomical details. Why? Dali was opposed to the romantic and decadent representations of the female body. In these putrefaction paintings, he counterattacked with his precise, anti-sentimental, and objective works.
My friend lies prostrate, with the extremities gently sectioned, full of flies and small aluminium propellers that approach her semi-vegetable nude, spread with all the makeup that I wanted to give her on her birthday.
The limbs of the body have been liberated. Nothing obliges them to remain attached to their neighbors. They are free to take flight in a new life, with new rules and new relationships within the pictorial universe of Dali.